Good afternoon, students. Today I will explain electricity from state board. What is mean by electricity? What are the advantages of uses of electricity? Okay, we use electricity to press our car, electric heater to cook food, refrigerators to minimize the wastage of food. Okay, these are all appliances are the gift of electricity. In present day, it is difficult to imagine in our life without electricity. Without electricity as it is also used in medical field, agriculture, communication media, transport or computers. Almost every field depends on the electricity. Most every field depends on the electricity. So electricity creates a result of something called charge. Okay, electricity is produced as a result of charges at rest. Thus, this type of electricity is called static electricity. So, what is meant by electricity? So, electricity means we can write electric current also. So, we can write current. Okay, electricity or current means the amount of charge passing through the conductor per unit time is called electricity. So, electricity or electric current. Electricity or electric current means the amount of charge passing through a conductor per unit time. Per unit time is called electric current. So generally electric current is indicated with the letter I. Electric current is denoted by letter IM, small I, or we can write capital I or small I, capital I. So charge is indicated with Q. Charge is denoted by Q. Charge is denoted by Q. Time is measured in seconds. Time is denoted by letter T. Therefore, electric current. Okay. Therefore, electric current equal to charge by time. Electric current equal to current I equal to charge Q by time T. So here I equal to Q by T. It is the equation for the electric current. It is the equation for the electric current. So charge is measured in units. Charge is measured in in coulombs. Okay, time is measured in seconds. Okay, therefore the SI unit of electric current is charge by time. That means here coulomb per seconds. Coulomb per seconds. That means we can write that equal to C by C. Coulomb per seconds. Coulomb per seconds. We can write ampere also. It is also measured in ampere or ampere. Ampere. These are the units for the electric current. Okay. Now charge of electron equal to charge of one electron. It is about electric current. Electric current. Next one, conductors and insulators. Conductors and insulators. Conductors and insulators. Substances that allow the flow of current through them are called conductors. Conductor, first one conductor. Substance substances that allow the flow of current flow of current through them are called conductors. You and me also conductor anna. Okay, examples: wet things, human body, normal water, these are the some examples for the conductors. Okay, substances that allow the flow of current to them are called conductors. Examples: wet things, human body, normal water. Next, all metals solutions of acids in water substances, salt in water are conductors. Copper is a good conductor. All metals also. Next one, insulators. Insulator means substance that do not allow flow of current through them are called insulators. Next one, insulator. Insulator, substances that does not allow does not allow flow of current through them. Through them are called insulators. Examples: dry things means dry wood, rubber, stone. Okay, these are the examples for the distilled water also insulator. Distilled water also insulator. Nothing but pure water. Pure water is a insulator. Pure water means distilled water. Pure water are the examples for the insulators. Okay. Next one. On CM, page number 63 in your textbook. Making up your own cell. Making up your own cell. Make your own cell. Okay. Make your own cell. On observe this video.
Now, let us make our own cell with the simple metals available around us. Click each tab to know more. Place 2 injection bottles, 2 rubber caps, metal strips of copper and zinc, diluted sulfuric acid H2SO4 bottle, LED and connecting wires on the experiment table. Note: break and open the discharged dry cell. Cut 2 strips of size 2 mm wide and 5 cm long from the outer metal covering, that is zinc metal. Cut 2 thick copper wires of length 5 cm. Remove the coating on both ends with a sandpaper. Take 1 copper strip and 1 zinc strip. Insert them in 1 rubber cap vertically. Once again, take 1 copper and 1 zinc strip. Insert the rubber caps in the injection bottles. Note: the 2 metal strips in both the caps should not touch each other. Pour the dilute sulfuric acid in both the injection bottles. Insert the rubber caps in the injection bottles. Take a wire and connect the zinc strip of one bottle to the copper strip of the other bottle. Connect 2 wires of the remaining copper strip of one bottle and the zinc strip of the other bottle. Now take an LED. Connect the zinc strip wire to the long pin of the LED and the copper pin wire to the short pin of the LED. The LED does not glow. Now reverse the LED connections and observe the changes. We observe that the LED does not glow in the first connection, but when the connections are reversed, the LED glows. Also, we observed that bubbles formed on the copper rod because the zinc dissolved in the sulfuric acid. We have learned that a small electric current is produced in the cell. The zinc dissolves in the sulfuric acid and accumulates on the copper.
one, do this. That is dry cell. Dry cell. What are the parts of a dry cell? Consists of a container made up of zinc metal. The container also serves as a negative terminal in the center. A carbon rod with the metal cap serves as a positive terminal. Okay. A dry cell can supply electric current in a circuit for a certain time. After that, its chemicals get exits and cannot be used anymore. Here, dry cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Here, dry cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Chemical energy into electrical energy. Okay, once observe this video now.
Dry cells. A dry cell is a modification of wet Leclanche cell. Dry cell batteries are different from wet cell because their electrolytes are contained in a low moisture paste. A dry cell consists of a zinc container whose base acts as the negative electrode or anode. The carbon rod placed at the center with a brass cap acts as the positive electrode or cathode. This is surrounded by a mixture of manganese dioxide and charcoal in a muslin bag. The electrolyte used is a moist paste of ammonium chloride. The outer body, excluding the base of the zinc container, is insulated with cardboard to prevent graphite rod from coming in contact with zinc container. Working of a dry cell. When the dry cell is connected in a circuit comprising a bulb, current flows in the circuit due to the chemical reaction that takes place in the cell. This makes the bulb glow. The electrode in the dry cell battery has two terminals, one that is positive and one that is negative. When a bulb is connected to the battery's terminals, a chemical reaction occurs between the electrode and the paste that produces roughly 1.5 volts of electricity. The electricity produced is conducted out of the battery with the help of an external circuit.
Okay, circuit diagram. It is a circuit diagram. In the circuit, a bulb, battery and a switch are connected as shown in the figure. Okay, it is a bulb. Okay, it is switch. Is closed switch. It is a cell. So it is a diagram for the closed circuit. It is a closed circuit. Now I will explain electric symbols and their uses. Electric symbols and their uses. First one, electric symbols. Electric symbols and their uses. First one, cell. Cell is a device. Cell is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Cell is a device. Cell is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Okay. Cell is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. So it is the symbol for the cell. Cell exists with two terminals. One is positive terminal and negative terminal. It is the symbol for the cell number. In this diagram, in this above diagram, longer line indicates positive terminal. Okay. Small line indicates negative terminal. Okay, so every cell exists with the two terminals. One is positive terminal and negative terminal. It is the symbol for the cell number. So longer line indicates it is a positive symbol. Small line indicates negative terminals. Okay, next symbol, bulb. Okay, sorry, I will explain next one. Battery. Battery means the combination of more cells. The combination of more cells is called a battery. The combination of more cells. The combination of more cells, more than one. The combination of cells is called a battery. Is called a battery. Batteries are used in cars, trucks, motorcycles to provide the current for headlights and in the operations of engine. Batteries are used in used to provide the current. To provide the current for headlights. For headlights and in the operations of engine. Of engine. Operations of engine. So right now I will draw the symbol for the battery. The combination of more than one cell number, it is a cell. Positive is connected with negative, negative is connected with the positive. Okay, it is positive, it is negative. Positive, negative. Battery symbol. Battery symbol. Okay. Okay. Next one. Switch. Next one, switch is a device which is used to open or close the electric circuit. Switch. Next one, switch. Switch is a device. Switch is a device. Switch is a device which is used to switch is a device which is used to close or open the electric circuit. Electric circuit. Electric circuit. So open switch. Open switch symbol. It is the diagram of the symbol for the open switch. Open switch. Next one, closed switch. Closed switch. It is a closed switch. Switch means switch is a device which is used to close or open the electric circuit. The switch is on. The switch is on. Circuit is closed. If switch is open, the switch is open. The circuit is open. Next one, fuse. Next one, fuse. Fuse is a safety device. Fuse is a safety device. Fuse. It is a safety device. Safety device. It is a safety device used in electric circuit. Electric circuit. It is a symbol for the fuse. It is fuse. Okay, ma. Next one, tomorrow I will explain about bulb and remaining electric components. Thank you.